Hi guys, my name is João de Saraiva and this is my new course about creating virtual reality experiences. So a little bit about me. I live in Portugal and I have a work experience as a full-time web developer. That's mainly what I currently do. Already written some articles, made some presentations, and I have this virtual reality project that's called Stella Plus. You can check it on Facebook or even on my website. Well, you can also find there some more things about me and what I did and what I'm doing right now. I'll just resume my education with the master's degree in design and multimedia. Okay, let's go to what we need to know. What you need to have to make this course? Well, first you will need at least virtual reality cardboard. Well, you can get these, they are really cheap nowadays, you can get them easily. Or if you have an Oculus Rift or any other virtual reality headset, that's even better. Well, in fact, the better the technology, the more immersive the experience will be. Then also a gamepad, because in fact people will be using your projects. They will have their eyes covered. So I mean, if they have a gamepad, they don't have to waste time thinking where's the keyboard if they are pressing the right keys. With a gamepad, the options are shorter. Therefore, there's no need to thinking where they are pressing. It will be easier for them to interact with your virtual world. Last, on the software, well, of course, you will need Unity 3D. You can use the free version. If you have the Pro version, even better because you will have access to more assets. But even with the last Unity free version, you are good to go. Okay, so what you need to know? Well, I'm expecting that you already have some basic Unity 3D knowledge, because if you don't, well, it might be a little bit harder. It's not impossible because we are not going to do anything that's ultra advanced. I mean, it's intermediate programming skills. Nevertheless, also some JavaScript. The code is all of it written in JavaScript. It's, I mean, at least in my point, and I think it's obvious, it's easier than C#. And JavaScript is really well integrated with Unity. All that we are going to build, all the code, all the assets are available. So if you even don't get to the exact final product, well, you can just import the project that I made and compare it with yours. So finally, what we are going to do? Well, we'll start with the basic. We'll do a basic framework. So the point here is to make a simple scene. We will import a model with the hands, also the assets for the Google Cardboard, and we'll configure the gamepad. Then we will have a vertical experience. The goal here is to make a scene where the player will have to cross from one tall building to another under a narrow passage. So we really want that the player has a feeling of vertigo. Then we will have the scary forest. So this is a massive scene full of trees where the player is always followed by a ghost. And the goal is to simply escape the ghost. And we'll set a timer, see how longer does the player last until is caught by the ghost. So finally, but not the least, we will have Secret Island. So the point here is an island with a lot of imported 3D models. And in here you just walk around and you stare as you like, because in fact this is the virtual world. You can do whatever you want, and that's the main goal of this course, is to give you the basic knowledge so you can start building some simple projects and then make your own. In fact, the whole idea of this course is that from time to time we will make a poll and then the students will decide what virtual reality course we want to build. And then we will just do it all together, and we will make together some virtual reality experiences. And since you are a student, that you are already enrolled on the course, well, of course, it's free of charge because we are here to learn how to build virtual reality experience, and that's just what we will do. Thanks.